In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have the official Google Calendar connection ready to go inside your Notion workspace, so your schedule and notes can stay in one place. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace and that you have permission to add connections. If you're part of a team, an admin may need to enable this for you. Start in Notion and head to your profile. You'll find it at the top of the sidebar, usually shown as your photo or initials. Click your profile to open the account menu. If your sidebar is hidden, hover near the left edge of the screen to reveal it, or tap the sidebar icon first. Opening the profile menu is the quickest path to the controls we need, and it keeps the rest of your pages untouched while we configure the connection. From the menu, click on Settings. This opens Notion's settings panel for your account and workspace. We're not changing any personal details here. We're just using this window to reach the area where external apps are managed. If you have multiple workspaces, double check the one shown at the top so you connect Google Calendar to the right place. In the settings panel, click on Connections. This is where Notion centralizes integrations and permissions for tools that work alongside your pages and databases. Think of it as your control center for approved apps. If you don't see connections, you may need to switch to a workspace where you have the right role, or ask an admin to grant access. Now, click on Explore. This opens the gallery of available connections you can add. It's designed to make discovery simple, and you can use the search bar if you don't immediately see what you need. The Explore view also helps you preview what each connection does before you turn it on. Find and click on Google Calendar. You'll land on the details page that explains what the connection can access and the kinds of sync it enables. Take a moment to review the description and permissions so you're comfortable with how your data will be used. This is also a good time to confirm you're connecting the correct workspace. Finally, click on Start Free Trial. This activates the Google Calendar connection for your workspace and begins the linking flow. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear to complete setup. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it for Notion and try again. Once finished, you can manage or remove the connection anytime from the Connections page. That's it. Your Notion workspace is ready to sync with Google Calendar. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh Notion and confirm you're in the intended workspace. Thanks for watching.